Rectangle ABCD is inscribed in triangle EFG such that the side AD of the rectangle is on side EG of the triangle as shown. The triangle's altitude from F to the side EG is 7 inches and EG is 10 inches. The length of the segment AB is equal to half the length of the segment AD. What is the area of the rectangle ABCD? So what we've been given is the altitude from F. So if I were to draw the altitude from F, so this is my altitude. So if I could call it whatever, FM is the altitude from F to side EG. So FM is the altitude and so is Fn. So I can say, instead of saying Fm, I can say Fnm is the altitude. So Fn is perpendicular to BC and Fm is perpendicular to EG. Okay, so what we're trying to do is to prove that triangle FBC, triangle FBC, I can write it here. So triangle FBC is similar to triangle FEG, and the reason is angle F equals angle F for both the triangles as a common angle, and angle FBC is equal to angle FEG, and angle FCB is equal to angle FGE, and that's of course because ABCD is a rectangle, so BC is parallel to EG. Okay, or BC, yeah, because AD sits on EG. So we have proved that triangle FBC is similar to triangle FEG. And what will happen, so since triangle FBC is similar to triangle FEG, the sides are proportional and altitudes are proportional. Okay, so let us assume we've also been given another thing, that's the length of the segment AB is half the length of the segment AD. So let AD be equal to 2x, then AB would be equal to x. So let AD be equal to 2x, and therefore AB would equal to x. And then from the similar triangles we would have from similar triangles we have Fn out of Fm equals BC out of EG. Now we know that Fg Fm is equal to 7 because the altitude is 7. So Fm is 7 and Fn would be 7 minus x, and that's because Nm equals AB equals x. So this would also be x, and therefore we can write this Fn is 7 minus x out of Fm, that's 7, and that equals BC, and equals AD is 2x. So I can write here also BC equals AD equals 2x. We don't need to because it's a rectangle, but I just wrote it. So BC is 2x divided by EG, and EG we've been given as 10. So therefore we can say cross multiplying, we'll get 70 minus 10x equals 14x, or 70 equals 24x, and therefore x is 70 out of 24, which we simplify, we'd get 35 out of 12. So that's x, and therefore that is AB, and therefore AD is 2 times 35 out of 12, that is 35 out of 6, and that would be inches. So okay, so then we have to find the area, so therefore we can write down the area. Therefore area of A, B, C, D would equal AB times AD, and that equals 35 out of 12 multiplied by 35 out of 6, and that equals, if you did 35 times 35, I would get 5 to 15 and 0, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5. So 1, 2, 2, 5 out of 6 times 12 is 72. So that's the area. So that's square inches, okay? So the answer is, what is the area of the rectangle? So your answer is 1225 out of 72 square inches.